Crafting can be so relaxing. So I'm really excited about checking out this latch hook kit. Whenever I was a kid, I used to make little rugs this way, and I made pillows. So it's definitely something I spent a lot of time doing whenever I was younger, but I haven't done it in a long time. So with this kit, you have all of your yarn colors here, and then you have your little hook that it comes with. And then I'm gonna show everything else that it comes with too. So what you've got in your kit here is your little guide that shows you your colors, and everything is labeled here very clearly. So like a U, and then you can see where the U corresponds here. And then this is what your mat looks like right here. So I'm going to show how you put the yarn in. This is really simple to do. You are going to put your hook through like that, and then you're going to make sure that you grab it just like so. And there you go. Okay, I'm going to show it one more time.